thank you for coming back to my channel. I'm Stephanie if you're new here. Today we are going to clean out 3 of the fridges that we have that we use for our food. So this fridge that we have right here is in the house, and this one is the one that we store everything that we use on a regular basis. And then the 2 fridge that we have out in the garage, one is a snack fridge and one is a drink fridge. So we put all our drinks, our soda, our milk all in the one. And then we'll put like our waffles and stuff in the freezer in that one. And then if I don't have any room in this one for our fruits and vegetables, the snack fridge is used also for that. And then we use that one for our meats and stuff when we pull it out to thaw it out for meals. So I'm gonna go through all of that in today's video. The kids are gonna help because we need to get it done. I have about an hour before I head out to go get groceries, and we need to get all of these clean because I haven't cleaned them in a couple months. I was sharing that on a monthly basis, but I lost track, and then holidays and all of that. So we were able to get all 3 of them cleaned out today. I'm going to share all that with you guys in today's video.
I have a bucket, like a water bucket. Okay.
Yeah, I moved it. Please. Try getting those spotless.
We'll keep this stuff up here. Oh, then yeah. Just dump it, either try to dump it.
What are these back? That's perfect.
What?
I don't need to screw now. Get the order. Over here. I'm just gonna set them over here for now.
It's just to combine all. The stuff that's over here. That's not right.
Take my
It's not even like yes. Let's just see that.
It's not. I'm not gonna let it explode.
They look like they've been preserved for like 7 years.
It looks like green thing. Oh, Mom, this is so weird.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm so happy that we were able to get all of the fridges done. I have, this is what it looks like. I didn't add that to the video when we put everything back in here, but this is everything, and then everything that we got from our grocery order, that is all in here now for like the fridge stuff. And then out in the garage we have all our drinks and all our fruits and vegetables and everything that we got from our grocery haul. Everything is put away now, but I wanted to share that with you. So this video is going to go out first, and then the next video is going to be my grocery haul. That's going to be my once a month grocery haul. So I'm going to have kind of like a 2-part videos. This is just going to be the clean out for the fridge. I haven't done it in a couple months, like I said. And then also hopefully in the next like week or so, maybe, I don't know, maybe a week and a half, I'm gonna do what's in our pantry or prepper pantry, get that all stocked back up, and then share that with you guys. But I will leave some playlists down below. You guys can go check out some of my older videos for cleaning out our fridge and then some grocery hauls. But that is it for today's video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.